Language learners and teachers understand the value of having access to materials that facilitate second language acquisition and promote greater communicative competence and L2 performance mastery. Whether teachers and learners are searching for materials that are already published or endeavoring to make their own materials, the ongoing quest for the right materials can sometimes feel like prospecting for gold. Depending on where and how you search, the gold may be in abundance or only limited quantities. Similarly, a language teacher may think they found the perfect text for their students, only to find out afterwards that actually it wasn't the most culturally relevant, or it could have been more effective by employing different teaching strategies. Welcome to MATSDA, the Materials Development Association. MATSDA brings together teachers, researchers, writers, and publishers from all over the world to work towards the development of high-quality materials for the learning of languages. Founded in 1993 by Brian Tomlinson, MATSDA is an international, not-for-profit association that welcomes both members and non-members to investigate and inform the field of second language materials development.
How does MATSDA operate?
MATSDA hosts international conferences and workshops that focus on issues related to the development of language learning materials. Papers are published from these conferences, and MATSDA is also actively involved in publishing books that showcase the most current and comprehensive research in L2 materials development. MATSDA also acts as a consultant to language learning textbook projects in many different nations.
Where do MATSDA members come from?
MATSDA members come from all over the world and work in a host of different language learning and teaching contexts. Whether primarily engaged in research, teaching, writing, or publishing, MATSDA members are united in their commitment to be better informed about how to make L2 materials more engaging, interactive, relevant, and more accessible to language learners and teachers.
What benefits do MATSDA members enjoy?
MATSDA members enjoy discounted rates at workshops and conferences, and membership to MATSDA also entitles you to a year's subscription to Folio, which is mailed to all members on publication. Members can also log in to read the current and past issues online.
What is Folio?
Folio is MATSDA's official journal publication that focuses on theoretical and practical issues related to the development of language learning materials. Folio publishes papers and also welcomes submissions from writers on a variety of topics related to L2 materials development, including L2 materials evaluation and design, coursebook writing and publishing, material samples, research and reports on materials in use in international contexts, book reviews, and interviews with materials writers.
How can I get involved?
Come visit us at the following website and learn more about the benefits of membership with MATSDA. If you would like to submit a research paper, report, or snapshot describing materials used in your own teaching context, the editor of Folio is now accepting submissions, and guidelines for submissions can be found at the following link.